Mold is a serious problem in many homes, and it can have a major impact on your health. If you find mold during the home inspection, it's important to address it at that time. In this video, we'll take a look at what mold means to the home inspection process, why it's dangerous, and how to get rid of it. Number 1. Mold can pose health risks. Mold is a type of fungi that can be found both indoors and outdoors. This can pose serious health risks, including allergies and respiratory infections, and even immunosuppression. Number 2. Mold causes structural damage. While mold is not always visible, it can be found in many places, including on walls, ceilings, and basements. In many cases, mold is often the result of water damage that has not been properly remediated and can cause damage to a home. Number 3. Mold causes financial problems. Since mold can lead to a range of negative health consequences and damage to property, it incurs sizable financial costs as a result. Homeowner insurances typically don't cover mold damage, and mold remediation can be very expensive. While mold is a common occurrence in many homes, it can be found and explained during the home inspection. A home inspection is important as it can help identify the source of the mold problem and provide a solution for remediation. Home inspectors are trained to spot mold and mildew. If you are considering purchasing a home, it is important to have it evaluated by a certified home inspector. They will often recommend that the homeowner address any mold problems to guarantee the safety of your family.